Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing. This is the Yi 1080p home camera. Now, I've got one of these already, but at the moment Amazon are just dropping prices on things ridiculously. I think Yi, on these models, I think these are the Model 2, version 2 possibly, they are bringing newer versions out, so these are now going rather cheap. They're a baby cam, to be honest, but that's not exactly what you can use them for. I use one of these as a home security camera, which is in an enclosure. It's on the front of the house. I can see my car on the driveway quite well, and it doesn't do too bad, to be honest, that one. So let me get you in an unboxing. Let's get the scalpel into the right place. Let's have a look there. Better. There we go. So these actually, I think I bought this for £19.80, something like that. I bought my other one a couple of years ago for £45, so you've definitely dropped down in price. I mean, they are very simple form factor, and I'll show you that in here, because that just sits on something. Done. That's your camera. You need it to be USB powered, which is on, where are we? That's the part where you put the SD card. Yeah, because it has a SD card slot. Right at the bottom here is the USB. So it's powered by USB. If you haven't got, it has no internal batteries in here. Once the power's gone, it's gone. So all this is a piece of plastic on a hinge with rubber feet, well, rubber ring on the bottom of it. Now it just clips through, done. Make sure you point the right way round, done. You're happy, and there you go. Watch your baby. Or watch your neighbours. Or watch whatever you want. And they're not a bad little camera. I mean, you pair these up straight away with your phone. So you ask it for your QR code, you put it in front with the phone and you'll scan it. It's very easy to do. You just follow the instructions, either, I assume, on one of these books. So we're getting inside that for the Yi Cloud. You can subscribe to the Yi Cloud, but you don't have to. Surveillance, yes. Another book. Thank you for choosing. No, thank you. Thank you for dropping your prices by half. Warranty period. Yep. Okay. Yi helmet mount. Okay, fine. Little instructions, bit of stuff to read. There we go. There's your instructions of what exactly you need to do on this. So 1, get your camera kit. We've got more stuff inside here to show you in a minute anyway. 2, get to know the camera. Okay. There's a blue LED at the bottom of the camera. Now, it doesn't really matter so much, because the way I've got mine inside, it's a dome housing which then sits underneath where the eaves are underneath the roof. And this, if it's that way around because the LED is at the bottom there, is actually upside down. But on the app, you can flip the image upside down, so it's not an issue this being the wrong way around. It's an issue if it's on its side, but it's not an issue if it's down, because I think I've put it inside mine, because the USB socket on here is a little bit of a problem to power it, to come out of the housing and be powered from a standard plug socket from being outside. But it's nice and weatherproof inside the housing. You can get a cheap housing from eBay, Amazon might sell one. It's just like a fake dummy camera thing, but it's got a real camera inside it, so it fools a few people, but yeah. Not had a burglary or break-in, that's good. So inside here you get some very nice field plastic bags with, I do like these, travel charger. Why does it say travel charger? Why would you travel charge with this? That's a bit weird. Another bag with another USB cable. I have to destroy that to get into it. So it's a USB micro with a USB standard. You can get data through this, because you can get an app on the phone to wirelessly pair this up with your Wi-Fi, so you can see whatever you want anywhere you want. Or with a USB I have plugged into my computer, and I can see that directly on the computer and use an app from the, I think it's the Play Store, or directly from Yi itself, I can use on my PC as well. So all you'll do, you'll follow the instructions, you download the app, which will show that to your phone, power it on, then it will literally talk to you. It will say scan QR code when you've got everything set up, which doesn't take long at all, because if you're on a Wi-Fi network, then when you scan it, the QR code that the phone will show you will be ready for this, and it will tell this what the Wi-Fi network is supposed to be, and off it goes. It's very, very simple. For cameras like this, for £20, I mean, this isn't bad at all. I mean, I'll put this somewhere else in the house. I don't know, I might put it in the garage, to be honest. But I don't know whether or not you probably would be able to use this as some sort of webcam, directly put into like an OBS Studios via the app. If you can do anything different with that, please tell me, because I'd like to be able to maybe possibly use this. This is a 1080 version. They do a 720, which is probably not worth actually getting now, because why would you get a 720 when the price of these is ridiculous? It's just too cheap not to get. So they also work. You can have as many as you want. There is a subscription service to get all of these, to get your files, get everything stored in your cloud, which I don't use. I won't want to use it. So yeah, it's a pretty good camera, and with my experience with using one of these before for 2 years, it's there. It has dropped the Wi-Fi once or twice. There's a reset button on the back. Like I say, your SD card goes into there. The bigger and the faster SD card you can get, the better you're going to be for the micro SDs. Yes, if you want to put a small one in there, it'll record certain bits, might record a couple of days, and then it'll record back over itself. If you want it for weeks and maybe months, then the bigger card, the better it is. On size-wise they go up to, I don't fully know. I use a 64 gig, and I have no problems whatsoever with the actual size of the card, the memory card. But like I say, it needs to be powered on. You've also got a microphone as well, so this is actually in the house. You've got a microphone and a speaker, so you can have a two-way conversation. You're on your phone, hi honey, I'm going to be a little bit late home tonight, and she can stare at this, or he can stare at this and say, hi, yes, well, I've burnt the tea anyway, so you might as well get a takeout on the way out. So it is, you can do two-way conversations with it. So there's so many different little things you can do with this. This is quite good. But like I said, it was cheap on Amazon, and I've already got one, so why not? So 2 security cameras will be having in the house. And there we go. That's your unboxing for the 1080p home camera. Do what you want with it. It's fine. Good fun. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. If you want to actually donate something to the channel, get in touch. If you want to be a patron and help out the channel, then that would be amazing. Try and keep this channel going and try and make it as big as possible. And anything and everything helps no end. So, with that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.